What
Believe.
do you mean you don't know?
What do you mean you don't know?
The power of the dark side.
I can't, man. What? What?
Stop the engine!
I'm just trying to start mine.
Guys, you know this is private property. Take off your... Let me see your face.
No, I'm not taking off my helmet. It's hard to get back on.
Okay, do you know this is private property?
No, we just followed the trail.
No, there is no trail.
Yeah, there's...
There is no trail!
Okay, it looks like this.
Where are you living?
I don't live up here.
Where do you live? So why do you come here?
We just followed
This
the...
is private property.
We just followed the trail.
No, there is no... I heard you yesterday. Look what you've done.
Well, that was...
Did you see what you've done?
There's holes in trees not from us. We didn't cut this down.
Kisa!
We didn't cut this down. I didn't mean to. We just followed the trail.
You
I didn't...
didn't cut the trees, no.
No, we didn't.
But
Yeah.
look the trail you did.
We just followed the trail.
Kisa! Down here? By the horse fence?
Oh yeah. I'll call my friend who lives
No,
up
no,
here.
no, no.
I'm gonna get off.
No, you, go.
Okay, I'm gonna lean it up against the tree.
I'm holding.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go put it up against the tree.
No. You are staying here.
Because I can't let it tip over.
You are staying here. Kisa!
Same guys?
No, different guys.
What the fuck you do?
I didn't know it was private property. I'm sorry, we'll leave.
know.
What do you mean you don't know?
What do you mean you don't
You
know?
came yesterday?
I didn't come yesterday.
No, you were here
You
yesterday,
were
guys.
here yesterday?
I
We heard you.
I took my
I wasn't
gun.
here.
I just didn't catch you.
So next time,
I'm sorry, we
if you
won't.
are here,
And I'm using this place as a range. If I kill you, I don't want to be in jail. But I can kill you. Do you understand that?
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
but you can't kill us, but yeah.
no, we
No,
can't
but-
kill you
but
because this
it's
is
not
our
in
property.
purpose.
Okay, yeah, but
Yeah, but
it's not the
He
U.S.
is using this as a range, shooting range. Do you
Okay.
understand what we're talking
Yeah,
about?
okay, but
He can just target to the tree. He can miss it. He can.
okay, yeah. If it's an
Touch you,
accident,
yeah?
that's one thing.
So
I didn't.
guys,
We didn't.
This is it. You never come here again.
Okay.
okay.
This is everywhere, private property.
I don't live. We just followed from the air.
Oh, you just use it like that?
No, do you know the airstrip, the long gravel path?
Gravel path.
Yeah, we just follow.
Seventh concession. This is our street.
We just followed that and it came here. I didn't know this was private property. I'm sorry.
Use it against the rail either. It says no motorized vehicle.
No, there's a lot of ATV guys there that go there. It's like it's open.
It says right there.
It says on the sign. It says on the sign.
Yeah, but they're fine with us going there.
It's not your property.
They're fine with us going there. We asked them.
I want to talk to you.
Here, I'll call my friend.
Our friend that lives here.
I'll call my friend. I'll call
Your
him.
friend. Go.
I'll call him. He lives up here. We don't live up here. That's why.
Okay, what,
Oh, you cannot go
what's
from
his
here.
address?
I don't know what his address is. I'll call him though. We just followed the trail. I didn't think it was. If it's private property, it's private property. Well, I'm sorry. We'll leave. I didn't know.
Yeah.
No, you have to know, guys.
Well, this is the first time I've been told, so I'm just saying. I didn't know, so we'll leave now. We won't come back.
You know, if you
I didn't know, so.
doesn't
Okay.
mean that
Okay.
You know what I mean?
yeah? That's the right side.
Okay, yeah, but we didn't see a sign. I'm sorry. We'll leave. But
What do you mean you don't see the sign? Everywhere here, it's a private property.
okay, but we didn't know that because we followed the trail. That's the only thing. We'll leave though. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not trying to say. Yeah.
I just don't know how they're gonna leave.
We'll just leave the way we came. Yeah, we'll leave the way we came. I'm sorry, I didn't think it was private property. I just thought it was a trail.
Don't cut though.
Pardon?
Go slow.
Yeah, we won't. Okay.
That was fucking hilarious.
That was fucking funny, man.
Take off.
Yeah, I will. The girl was freaking the fuck out, eh?
Dude, the guy was just so chill.
No, I told the guy, I'm like, man, we didn't know that it's private property, so how the fuck are we supposed to not come here if we don't know? We followed the trail, and he's like, yeah, okay, just leave. The fucking girl's a psycho. Man, if I could get my bike started, we would have been gone.
Ja, habe ich. Warte mal, ich muss... Ja, ich hab's drauf,